So guys, finally Meta has introduced their own AI feature in WhatsApp globally. And if you want it deliberately, then this video is for you. Hello guys, my name is Himanshu. You are watching GetAssist, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, if you don't have the Meta AI tool in your WhatsApp application, then first of all, you just have to go to your Play Store or App Store and check whether your WhatsApp application is updated or not. If not, then just get it updated. Because in most of the cases, after the update, the problem is resolved and they got to see the bluish Meta icon in their WhatsApp in the bottom right corner. And after the update, if you still can't find it, then I have two more methods for you. The first one, either you can open up your web browser and search for WhatsApp contact. Then click on that. Afterward, fill up your WhatsApp mobile number and your email address. Choose your device category, whether it's an iPhone, Android, web desktop, KaiOS or other. And then below that, just drop your problem that you still don't have the Meta AI in your WhatsApp. Then click on next and send the question. Your query will be sent to Meta and you'll soon get the WhatsApp update. And the other way is just open up your WhatsApp. Then from the three dots above, go to the settings. Down here, you'll find help option. Tap on it. Then tap on help center. And then you'll see that green colored support button. Tap on that. After that, paste the same thing that you have written on the WhatsApp contact query. If you don't know how to write, what to write, then just go to the comment section. I've already commented a text prompt. Just copy it and paste it there. Then tap on the next. Then choose about AI stickers. Then tap on send my question button below. Afterward, you'll get a feedback message from WhatsApp, and in that chat, paste the same appeal too and send it. And you are done with it. You'll definitely get the update from Meta or from WhatsApp the soonest. Now let's go for a quick trial of this Meta AI. So what you have to do is just open up your WhatsApp and after the update you can see that bluish circle icon over here and tap on that, and a chat with Meta AI will open up on your screen. It will give you some suggestions that what it can do for you, like you can ask it for anything and it's literally written anything. I'll just say a hey to it. Okay. See, it's giving me already three suggestions that it can generate pictures too. So let's try one. Imagine a car race on Mars. Okay. It was quick one. And the picture generator is also in good quality. Let's do one thing. Let's ask it to generate something which is technically impossible, but we'll try. Generate a picture of RCB winning IPL trophy. I knew it. Now it's certified by Meta that RCB are the real chokers and they can't win in our imagination too. Well, have you noticed one thing that it's like mid-journey, like we are placing a slash, then the prompt of imagine, then the actual prompt that we wanted to actually generate as a picture. Let's try one more. This time let's try something difficult. Slash imagine a traveler in dense forest who finds a lake with waterfall and a beautiful scenic view. Nice. This is something good. See, Meta has done a great job on their AI feature and it's just the beta version. Means there's much more than this. And that's all in this video. If you find this video informative and useful, just give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends if they are facing the same problem and not able to see the WhatsApp AI icon or WhatsApp AI chat box. And I'll meet you in the next one. Just keep watching GetAssist.